ASHWITHA from Srinivas Institute of Technology. My stream is MCA. My pass out year is 2020. I came to Qspiders because of my reference of relatives. I started my journey with SQL. It was taught by Sunil sir in a beautiful way, and manual was taught by Pawan sir and Pradeep sir in a detailed way. They taught us each and every concept in a depth, and then Java was taught by Shankar sir. It was very nice Java classes, and Apti was taught by Franco sir and Nisha ma'am. And I got placed in a good company with a good package. I suggest everyone to join Qspiders.